Organs for breathing. In the previous class, we have read that all animals respire. It means that animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide to produce energy inside them, which helps them to do various activities. Different animals have different organs for breathing. Lungs. Animals like birds, reptiles, and mammals breathe through special organs called lungs. They have one pair of lungs. They inhale air through nose. Then it passes into the lungs, which then absorb oxygen from air. Then oxygen is transported around the body by the blood, which also takes out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is exhaled from the nose. The blood contains a special substance known as hemoglobin that carries oxygen and carbon dioxide. Whales and dolphins also breathe in through lungs. To breathe, they come up to the surface of water. They take in the air through blowholes. Fact file: elephants move their lungs by contracting and releasing their chest muscles. They breathe out an average of 310 liters of air per minute. Moist skin. Some animals like frog and salamander are amphibians that live in both on land and in water. When they are on land, they breathe through their lungs, and when they are in water, they breathe through their moist skin. Air holes. Insects breathe through tiny openings present on their body called spiracles. They are like tiny tubes. Gills. Most of the aquatic animals have gills for breathing. Gills absorb the oxygen dissolved in water, and the carbon dioxide is expelled out of them when water passes over the gills. Examples of animals having gills are crab, fish, prawn, tadpole, etc. Fact file: lungfish have a unique respiratory system, having both gills and a lung. It is the only type of fish to have both the organs. Body surface. Microorganisms like amoeba and paramecium and earthworms breathe through their body surface. Movement. Animals can move from one place to another. This movement is called locomotion. They move in search of food and shelter, to protect themselves from harsh weather and to escape from danger. They have different methods of movement. Terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals like lion, tiger, elephant, camel, etc. have two pairs of limbs. One pair is in the front, called the forelimbs, and other is at the back, called the hind limbs. They walk using both the pairs. Some animals like kangaroo and human beings have strong hind limbs. They walk on two limbs. Human limbs are the most highly developed limbs in animals. A human can walk erect on the hind limbs called legs. He can use his forelimbs, hands, to catch and hold things and to do work. Reptiles. Reptiles have different ways of moving, like lizard, crocodile and tortoise move by crawling on their short legs. The snake does not have legs. It moves by curving its body with the help of scales present underside its body. Turtle and tortoise have limbs, legs, which are pedal-shaped. They use their legs to push water and move forward. Aquatic animals. Fish have fins to move in water. It maintains its balance with the help of fins. It can change its direction with the help of its tail. Frogs have webbed feet to push back water, and facilitate swimming. Penguins and seals have flippers for swimming. Birds. Birds have modified forelimbs as wings, which help them to fly. Their wings are covered with feathers and are attached to their large breast muscles. They can hop or walk on the land with their two legs. They can also sit on the branch of a tree by perching their legs on it. Some birds like duck and swan have webbed feet for swimming in water. Their bones are very lightweight, which help them to fly. Birds like emu, kiwi, and ostrich are called flightless birds because they cannot fly. Fact file: Hummingbird is a bird which can fly backwards. Insects. Most insects have 6 legs. Some insects like ants or cockroaches walk on their legs. Butterflies and mosquitoes have 1 or 2 pairs of wings, while wasps and dragonflies have 4 wings, and houseflies have 2 wings, which help them to fly. Beetles, lice, termites, and bedbugs crawl with the help of their legs. A grasshopper uses its hind legs to hop. Water boatman and back swimmer use their strong hind limbs for swimming in water. Migration. We now know the reasons for movement in animals. But sometimes they move in groups from one place to another to escape the harsh weather conditions or scarcity of food and return to their native place when these things change. This movement of animals in groups from one place to another in response to changes in weather, habitat, or availability of food is called migration. The term migration is generally associated with birds. They fly long distances in search of food and to escape very cold or hot weather conditions. The birds that migrate are called migratory birds. The Siberian crane visits India every winter and can be seen in the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. It goes back to Siberia in summers. The Arctic tern breeds in the Arctic during summer and flies all the way to Antarctica during winter to escape the extreme winters. It is also called the champion of migration as it makes the longest migration. Fish salmon spends most of its life in sea except when it migrates to river to lay eggs. When the eggs hatch, it travels back to the sea. Some other animals also migrate, like butterflies and moths. Monarch butterflies fly from Canada to Mexico in winter. Some whales migrate from the polar region to the tropical oceans to breed during winter. Animals like bat, elk, and caribou also migrate. Things to remember. There are 2 main habitats on the earth: land and aquatic habitats. Land habitats include forests, deserts, polar regions, and mountains. Aquatic habitats comprise of oceans and fresh water. Animals found in different habitats have different features. Some major types of body coverings found in animals are scales, shell, feathers, hair, and fur. Animals can be classified into herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores on the basis of their feeding habit. Animals have different organs for breathing, like lungs, moist skin, air holes, gills, and body surface. Animals move in various ways, like they walk, crawl, swim, and fly. Some animals migrate long distances in search of food to escape harsh weather conditions and to breed.